feel it.
He's watching me. His lungs sound good. Oh yeah, now we're gonna open up good, huh? Yeah. Okay, good. That's alright. I know. That's lucky. See your ear. Well, let's do this one then.
He wonder.
Doesn't want either one of them though.
He wonder what is that? Okay.
Yeah, we gotta do this one again. I didn't get him this one yet. Good. Ears look good. You are so sweet. Did you know that? Stand up. Say hi.
Hi. You good, good?
Do you have some saline nasal spray, like little noses or anything?
No.
Okay, I'll see. I may have some samples. I'll check.
Okay.
That can be good, especially if the mucus is really thick. I mean, if it's coming out good, that's fine. But sometimes it will be really thick or it won't come out. You can spray the saline and then get it to come back out.
Okay.
And then, you know, if he's feeling really hot or if he's just not acting like himself, check his temperature. You know, I wouldn't just check it all the time, but
Okay.
if he's, you know, if you feel like he's getting worse or he feels hot, check his temp. And really at his age, over 101, you know, let us know and get it
Yes,
rechecked.
ma'am.
If it's not 100 to 101, probably give him a little Tylenol and just watch him.
Okay.
He's not quite old enough for Motrin or Advil yet.
Mm.
But the Tylenol.
Boo, 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 boo. Mm.
Say goodbye. I say goodbye.
I'm good. I'm good.
Hey,